Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will make some salmon cakes. We use this one, the pink salmon. It's 14 ounces. I will take all the bones and the skin from it and drain it. We will need some salt, black pepper, garlic, cayenne pepper or chili powder, some parsley flakes, or you have fresh parsley, you can use it. I will add some oregano, 1 egg, and a spoon of flour. I'm using here a gluten-free flour. You can use the regular flour, or a spoon or 2 of bread crumbs. First of all, before that I add all the spices and the ingredients, I take my salmon, I drain it from all the liquid, and I clean it from any bones, small bones, the big bone in the middle, the skin, the dark pieces. I leave only the nice pieces of salmon with no bones or skin. And as you see in the video, until I finish all my salmon, then I will start adding my other ingredients. After we clean the salmon from all the bones, skin, everything, we add here some sauteed onions and red bell peppers. That's optional. Salt to taste. Black pepper to taste also. Some garlic powder, not the fresh garlic, garlic powder. Cayenne pepper or chili powder if you like it spicy. 1 egg. Dried parsley, like 1 teaspoon of dried parsley. If you don't have it, you can use fresh parsley. Oregano is really good, you give a nice flavor. 1 teaspoon. And some olive oil to moist the mixture. 1 tablespoon of flour. I added here gluten-free flour. You can use the regular flour or any flour you like, or breadcrumbs. Then mix everything together. In the end, I added some cheese, 2-3 kinds of cheese mixed together. That's optional, but with the cheese it comes really good. You give it a nice flavor. Try it with the cheese and you will see how good it will be. Now to shape my salmon cakes, I took a quarter cup, and I put some olive oil there. Start putting some of the mixture, then making my salmon cakes to be all of them the same size. That's a good way. If you don't like to do it like that, you can shape it only with your hand. Make some small balls, all of them the same size, and shape it like small cakes. I will finish all the cakes before that I start cooking them. In a frying pan, I'm adding a piece of butter and some olive oil to cook my salmon cakes. There is also another option. You can spray them with the cooking spray and cook them in the toaster oven or your oven or your air fryer. But I'm cooking them today on the frying pan with some olive oil and butter. Now I'm adding the salmon cakes to the pan. I will let them cook really good from the first side. Before that, I turn them to the other side. They have to be nice brown and golden brown from one side before that you flip them to the other one. Now I'm flipping my salmon cakes to the other side. You see how nice the color is, golden brown. They are done totally from one side. This is how they have to be looking. The salmon cakes are done from both sides now. I put them on top of a paper towel to take any excess of butter or oil there. You see how they are golden in the color, very nice. I'm serving them now with some cocktail sauce. It's sweet and spicy. I hope you like this video. See you next time on other videos and enjoy.